Dynamic notes. Ang unang word is dynamic. Ang salitang dynamic ay nanggaling sa year 1812 na ang kahulugan ay pertaining to mechanical forces not in equilibrium or pertaining to force producing motion. Nanggaling yan sa year 1691 sa Greek word na ang ibig sabihin is dynamicus, na ang ibig sabihin sa English is powerful or to be able to or be strong enough or to have power. So yan ang kahulugan ng dynamic. It is an adjective na part of speech. Then yung notes ay kung mapapansin natin merong S. So kung merong S, which means it is a plural noun. Kasi noun itong notes. Kasi kung note lang, singular noun. Pero dahil merong S, so plural noun siya. So ang kahulugan is it is something to be written or something that is written. Kasi notes. So kumbaga meron ka nang na-note. So notes siya. So powerful note, something that is written. So dynamic notes.